Hey, good afternoon, guys. Well, we're going to talk about this $1 million rain everybody talks about. We're getting it. All the corn is in the ground, and it's just going to be ready to pop through here shortly. Worked early this morning to clean the tractor up, getting ready for baling season. You can see the bagger in the background there. My boy went over this morning, blew it all over with the leaf blower, got it all cleaned up, so it's not sitting with wet barley on it. Come over here to the field. It's been raining for a little bit yet now, but you can see the ground still dry underneath. I was out here last night. I did see one that's just starting to pop through, so this is definitely going to help it. Hope everybody's enjoying their Friday. It's raining here in Pennsylvania. I'm gonna park this inside. Today the principal at the school for my kids had his birthday, so we took it over to the school, and it really made his day. See all the kids in this tractor all cleaned up. I want to back the skid loader out. He's gonna grab that for me quick. Behind me then. I always put the weight down on the ground. That way the weight's off the front of the tires. It's looking good. So the barley's chopped, that corn's planted. We put in 108 to 110 day corn down there. So yeah, and the feedlot's planted. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed these cows quick. With that TMR mixer, it just takes a short period of time to feed all these cattle. Looks like we're going to have to order sawdust here shortly. So that'll be on the agenda next week coming in probably. So the milking has been going pretty good here. They're really pushing a lot of milk. So we're going to get ready to feed them here. I have all the ingredients on the truck we just picked up. Just 2 baby calves, as I think it's May the 22nd today. Friday, and raining outside. So I was hoping to see some corn popping through probably tomorrow to get some sun. That's a perfect rainstorm right now. Alright, we're getting a bale here for the beef calves to take down. Try to keep all the plastic all together here, and then we'll pack it together. They'll cut all the strings but one. Got this nice Pioneer shirt on. Okay, it's pretty simple. Just slide this piece here on and then put this one down through. And then when you go to back into it, it'll connect to the chopper or the tractor. So, yeah. So that's done. We're ready to go here. Hopefully we'll be chopping here around 5 o'clock. And then the bagger should be here by 6, hopefully. just had to rain again. Here we go. We got everything cleaned up real nice. I stripped her out a couple times before I put the milker on. You can see the milk flowing in there pretty good. So this can, you can hear the vacuum over there running. There's a nice udder on her. What we'll do over the summer here, we'll just kind of shave her up here a little bit and keep the hair down. About 5.5 minutes roughly until you put it on and take it off. Starts getting pretty heavy. We're running the fans here, putting fresh air in here tonight. And there's the milk. And don't take them long to clean it up. I do feed them a pellet mix out there too. They love that milk. Alright guys, we gotta get back to picking bales up. Just wanted to show you we do take a break to do our chores and take care of our animals.